Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Back in the day, had you been in ancient Greek academy, you would have learned the art and science of rhetoric, which Aristotle defined as the faculty of observing in any given case the available means of persuasion. How much poorer are we that today it's rare to find a system of thought to help you marshal logical arguments to build your case for change. TOC's logical thinking process takes us on a systematic journey through components of reasoning to buttress our arguments and increase the likelihood of successful advocacy for change. The logical thinking process uses a series of logic checks to methodically ensure that you can construct the best possible argument for your case. The people you're seeking to influence can also use these logic checks as rules of the game to challenge your reasoning and hence build a better, more cogent argument. You get to play the ball, not the man. Think for a moment of each component of your argument, which we can call an entity. Is that entity logical, precise in its meaning, and capable of doing the work of engaging the mind of your audience? Does the entity read as a clear statement in plain language, constructed as a sentence with, at a minimum, a subject, verb, and object which makes sense on its own? If we're to use the entity in a chain of cause and effect, we must limit it to a single idea. Thus, we would not start the construction of our logic chain with sales are down because we put our prices up. It may be an undeniable fact that sales are down, but incorporating the single cause as being our raising of the price could lead you to missing some other critical additional or concurrent causes. If you want to build a better argument to promote the change you imagine, ensure there is precision and clarity in your use of language. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.